Good morning. Today is Tuesday, June 5th, 2012. Here we give a wrap-up of the commodities complex as it closed last night and as of open this morning. Please note that the LME markets are closed today also, and hence volumes are expected to be thin during the first session, and only after the US markets open would data come in and movements like yesterday would start taking place. As we had forecast over the weekend on Saturday and Sunday, markets opened sharply lower yesterday morning on the MCX exchange, with targets being achieved in crude, which we had forecast for targets of 4600, 4560 and 4500, hit a low of 4520. Copper, which we had forecast for targets of 400, 398 and 396, low was 397.05. Nickel for targets of 880 and 860, for it hit a low of 861. Sharp recovery was seen towards the afternoon and evening session after the US data came in, which turned out mild positive. And of course, the market was buoyed with optimism that fresh stimulus measures may be announced by the Fed in the ensuing meet, which is to be held shortly in the US. Of course, we need to wait for this outcome for any clear trend to emerge. Three important plays that needs to be factored in during the current commodities plays are the movement of the US dollar index, the euro and the INR. The US dollar index is trading at 82.30. It was at a high of 83.2 over the past couple of days, and it's corrected in a small way to 82.2. If it sustains about 82, which is a strong threshold level, markets are expected to be firm in terms of dollar index, and fresh buying could come in so long as it sustains above 82. Euro is now trading above 1.25. Eurozone fears continue to haunt the market, especially with Greece and Spain and Italy. And no confirmed news on the Greece pullout will create an uncertainty in the Eurozone. INR hit a high of 55.2 yesterday on a small firmness in the INR against the US dollar. It closed at around the 55.6, expected to trade in the range of 55 to 56 to 56.2 in the coming days. A breakout either side would suggest the next move. We now give a wrap-up of the individual commodities. Gold is now trading at $1623. It hit a low of $1610 yesterday and a high of $1628, and it looks to be still a buy on dips, but accumulate on every decline with a stop loss of below 1600 on a closing basis, expected to target in due course $1640 and $1660. On the MCX exchange, resistance is seen at 3200 and supports at 29,850 and 29,750. It is expected to move in this band during the course of the day also. Silver is now trading at $29.40, as we have been maintaining since last couple of days. Further upside breakout is a close about $29. Close about $29 in MCX exchange would mean anywhere between 54,800 to 55,200, depends on the movement of the INR on a particular given day. As of now, again, it trades with a strong support of 53,500 and a resistance of 55,800. It hit a high of 54,580 and a low of 53,700 yesterday. Expect MCX to open at around the 54,000 mark, as it's opened about 20 cents higher this morning. Crude is now trading at $84.70 yesterday. It tested a strong support of 4,500 yesterday with a low of 45.20. It closed at 46.73, showed remarkable breakup during the course of the afternoon and evening session. In the MCX exchange, the resistance on next breakout is seen above 47.10 to 47.15, and support is now seen at 46.20 levels, expected to open flat as of current levels. Natural gas trails mild positive with resistances at 135.5 and 137.5, and immediate support is seen at 130.50 and then at 128. Expect mild positive open as of this morning at around the 135 to 135.5 levels. Next move is expected to be based on the inventory during the course of this week. Copper closed at 408.5 yesterday. It has now opened this morning at 0.8% higher, expected to open at around the 410 to 411 mark at the MCX exchange, depending on the INR. Resistance strong is now seen at 412.60. Next positive move is on a break above 412.60. Support is now at 406 to 405 zone. It hit a low yesterday of 397 and sprang up to a high of around the 411 to 411 high yesterday after the US data came in yesterday morning, and so no clear trend is visible as of now. The rally last night was on account of positive US data, as also on account of the small sharp covering rally. Nickel closed at 883. Resistances are seen at the 890 to 895 mark, and support is seen at the 865 to 863 level. Wait for fresh entries. Zinc, lead and aluminium showed mild bounce up after a recovery in copper was seen, and it looks to be a buy on dips as of now. For further updates and commentaries, please visit our website at www.akshayaship.com. Thank you.